Hello friend, today in this video I will show you how to open Google Maps in 2022. So guys, very easy simple method. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon guys. Let's start our video. So first open a Chrome browser is open and search bar Maps. Click on and first click on link Google Maps. Click on so guys it is open. Sorry guys, my internet is slow, very slow. So guys, is open Google Map. And settle it. Is open. So guys, very easy simple method. And so guys, and two step. So guys, Gmail ID is click on and Google Maps. So guys, very easy simple method. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel how to open Google Maps in 2022. Very easy simple method. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon guys. Thank you for watching my video.